It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and we were called to this weatherboard to attend to some flaking paint and some rotten weatherboard, where the paint was also bubbling on one side of the home, which had to be stripped back to bare timber, given a coat of undercoat, and then finished with 2 coats of top coat in the same colour to match existing. The areas exposed to the sun the most also had a lot of sun damage and flaking paint. We attended to that, and we also changed all the rotten weatherboards because they were allowing water to penetrate into the wall. Once they were changed, they were given 3 coats of paint, 1 undercoat and 2 top coats, and the before and after shots are really amazing, and the difference is huge. The customer is extremely happy, and if you need weatherboard repairs in Melbourne, call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance on 0403 162 374 for your free no obligation quote, and look at the difference in the before and afters. Don't they just look amazing? Your house could look like this as well. Call Bill now.